performing self-hand and wrist massage. The hand is flat. The other hand comes in and you're going to bend the wrist of the active hand, pull the skin and the tissue underneath it down towards your elbow. Extend your wrist as far as you can go slowly, letting the fascia stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. You should feel a pull at your wrist, maybe into your palm. Try to keep your fingers as straight as possible. From this position, to stretch the other side of your hand and forearm, grasp the tissue on the top of your hand, flex your wrist down towards the table, keep the fingers straight as possible, and then when you get to the final point, go ahead and make a fist, and you should feel a stretching all the way into your fingers. You may not be able to get this far if your fascia is really tight. Another stretch for the wrist is on the pinky side. Go ahead and bend your wrist in that direction, grasp the tissue and the skin, and go ahead and move your hand away from the pinky side. You should feel a stretch along that side of your outer palm. And we can do the same thing on our thumb side, just holding this position, pull that tissue down again towards the direction of your elbow, and extend your wrist, or move your wrist the opposite direction away from your thumb. Then cross your thumb over to reach towards your pinky, and you'll feel an increased fascial stretch. And if you want, you can even make a fist here and increase the stretch even more. You can rotate the wrist and feel an even bigger stretch. So again, for the palm of the hand, we're going to flex the wrist down, hold the tissue underneath that, pull it down towards our elbow or in the direction of our elbow, and extend the wrist back. For the opposite side, or the top of the palm, we're going to pull the tissue down here. It's a good firm hold, and flex the wrist down, and we can make a fist for an even bigger stretch. For the sides, go in the direction of your pinky, pull the tissue down, and move towards your thumb. Move the hand in the direction of your thumb. And you can also extend back if you want for an even bigger stretch. For the thumb side, we're going to pull our wrist towards the direction of our thumb, pull the tissue down towards our elbow, and move our hand away from the thumb. To increase the stretch, we'll bring the thumb over to a pose, and we can even make a fist here and cross the thumb over for an even bigger stretch.